Papa's Learning Planet. In this video, I come up with a topic, my favorite pet. My favorite pet is parrot. It's very colorful. Comment down what is your favorite pet. We will make a video on that too. Now, without wasting time, let's start the video. My favorite pet is very intelligent. It's parrot. Parrot is known for its intelligence, that is imitating human voices. There are around 372 different parrot species. Parrots have curved bills, strong legs, and clawed feet. Every bird is with 4 toes, 2 toes facing forward and 2 facing backwards. Foot is adapted for climbing and grasping. Parrot's claws are sharp and are used for climbing and swinging. It has a long tail. Parrots are often brightly colored and are found across the world. Few parrot species can live over 80 years. It's found mostly in tropical and subtropical regions. Parrots can fly at very fast speed. Parrot's little one is called as chick. A group of parrots is called pandemonium. Parrots are omnivores. Parrots eat nuts, flowers, fruits, birds, seeds and insects. Seeds and green chilies are their favorite food. They have strong jaws that allow them to snap open nutshells. Parrots make their homes in the portholes of a tree. I would try that. People never keep it in a cage. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.